Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact head unit model and current map build, so you download the correct package. This prevents mismatches. Next, make sure the car battery is charged or connect a trickle 12V supply to avoid shutdowns. Prepare a clean USB or SD with 8+ GB free, or pair your smartphone with cable. Once ready, download the firmware or map file to your computer, verify checksum when provided, and copy files to the media in the prescribed folder layout. You now transfer files to the prepared USB, SD, or phone storage, keeping manufacturer folder structure and file names exact. Changes break detection. Once media is inserted, navigate the infotainment update or system menu and select Install Update. Confirm you want to proceed. During installation, let it run uninterrupted. The head unit can reboot more than once and display progress percentages. Make sure to leave the ignition in accessory or run mode until the unit reports completion. Then verify new version info in settings. You finish by confirming the new firmware or map version in system info, then run a quick route search and voice guidance test to validate navigation behavior. If the update fails, power cycle the unit, retry with freshly formatted media, or re-download files and recheck checksum to rule out corruption. If errors persist, make sure you have backed up settings, then use the dealer update tool or schedule service. Professionals can recover bricked units. Remember, do not interrupt an in-progress update, as that causes the worst failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.